Yeah, no shit, dude. Bird just shit all over my phone. Fuck these birds. Bird just shit on my phone. You know, bird? Shit on my phone, dude. You know, bird? Bird shit on my motherfucking NPCs, dude. So fucking triggered right now. Bird just shit on my phone. Oh, lip my stockings. Holy shit, people are freaking out.
You're like this, you're like Attack on Titan. 待って
みんなこれ本当見れるもんじゃないからね。It's very unusual to see that the booby type.
Ow! Fuck! Pollock roll. Okay. It doesn't give me much excitement to like continue doing good content. Just TBH kind of thing.
Shut the fuck up!
No, we're gonna get the cocktail first. Nyam nyam. Nyam nyam. Oh yeah, there is someone out here. There's someone out here. This guy's definitely not getting any ass tonight. That's the new meta, dude. Uwabaki! Fucking bravo. They make these waters so small here, dude. I don't get it. Jesus.
Like pants.
You've never taken off your shoes after like a really long day and then like smelled your feet and then you smelled like a natto and then it's the same.
No.
You take it easy, okay, honey? Have a safe trip home.
Right.
Take it easy. Thank you, kindly. I'm gonna go flex on these bitches. Take it easy. My pee-pee is filled with wee-wee, and I need to go fucking to the toilet. When I did one marijuana, I got put in the ICU for a whole week.
Reservation?
Yeah, 6 p.m. 6 p.m.
6 p.m.?
Yeah, I'm supposed to buy a MacBook Air.
Okay. Excuse me for a moment, please.
Okay, honey.
セフィロスおじさん
They like that one.
Wow. Wait, push them together, And you gotta unbutton that button. Unbutton the button. Top. Unbutton the button. No, unbutton the top. Yes, that one.
Oh, wait. Wait. Oh. I'm not, get invited to Code Miko level there yet. You understand? Cocoa.
No,
Yes. Hell yeah, baby. Oh, hell yeah. She said no more. He said, hiya. She said, no more. I can't say, just sat right back. She left. I farted. Dude, I had 1 meal or like 1.5 meal yesterday. Oh, I got it. Except I got curry. That's the. They didn't know what that meant though. I need two, one for one ass, yeah. No gangster, the Twitch IRL scene in Tokyo. Original gangster status. Nah, I don't, dude. No hard liquor ever. Saw the bird shit on your phone. Fucking bird, dude. I'm gonna eat that shit, dude. I'm gonna shoot it with rock salt and season it before I eat it. No, I was thinking the same thing, Coffee. It was a good meow. He was like, ha 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 ha, Japani. Yeah. It's a contextual thing. Oh no, wait, I had one at this. 3 highballs, 1 whiskey, like a straight shot of whiskey, and I'm fucked up. And I had a really good time. I met someone very, very nice.
次来るよ。
Okay.
いくよ。美味しかったにゃん。
美味しかったにゃん。
そう、もう一回。いくよ。せーの。美味しかったにゃん。ありがとう。完璧です。下げちゃいますね。
Nice. Got it, baby. I'm sorry, I just can't read people. Like, I just can't. I'm not trying to troll or anything. I literally do not understand. Ah, fuck. You alright? Yeah.
You hit your head?
¿Cómo cuesta esa lista? What's esa lista? Yeah, bye-bye. And everyone else are watching. I owe 4, so that's 4 times belly shaking. So
Yeah.
we'll get the belly going.
Okay, okay.
Hope everyone can see here. Okay, now we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll give like a bonus one. Okay.
I love it.
Fucking Sims that you guys use in the United States. I got a dual Docomo Vibe G, baby. So I should have stayed at Mr. Blowman's place. Yeah, that would have been nice. You wish you. That's a Jewish hotel there, Lou. Wait. I think custard gets to be in honor of every Jew today. Okay, see, it starts with men, or it ends with men, so it's definitely kosher. Look at that. You guys gotta clip it. Oh, that's hot. Yeah. It's a hot sausage.
It's going.
Wow. Holla at your boy. Why does that sound hilarious? Hilarious Hilton. Oh look, is that what you guys look at a man? Look for in a man? Look like a bitch? And yeah, I just took my shit and like brushed my teeth and did all my stuff. So there was really no reason to rush like that. I was so pissed. Because he barged in, he's like, we gotta go. I know it's we gotta fucking go right now. Or guy should his points on his Airbnb. It's like, what the fuck? It's not, yeah, it was literally. So I got fucking 3 hours of sleep last night. Bar Suzu, Bar Suber. Suber? Suzu.
Super.
God damn.
Happy birthday.
Dingus! What the fuck? I don't get why people message me on DMs, like, don't ignore them.